Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Upgrade your lawn care routine with a tool that delivers smooth, even coverage every time. Best topsoil spreader options help transform patchy areas, nourish soil, and speed up yard projects with precision, control, and effortless performance for any homeowner. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Landzie 24-inch Spreader. The Landzie 24-inch spreader stands out as a dependable choice for anyone serious about achieving a healthier, greener lawn with less effort. Built with upgraded side clasps that prevent wear and keep the drum securely locked, it handles compost, peat moss, topsoil, sand, and other materials with impressive consistency. The adjustable handle and solid steel construction make it sturdy while still easy to maneuver across various yard conditions. Its 24-inch metal mesh basket spreads material evenly, helping reduce waste and ensuring nutrients reach the soil where they belong. Heat-treated with rust resistance and supported by a lifetime guarantee, it's designed for long-term reliability. The hinge door makes filling simple, and it efficiently breaks up clumps while separating larger pieces, leaving only finely sifted material to top dress your lawn. For homeowners looking to elevate lawn quality without hassle, this spreader delivers dependable performance season after season. Number 2. VEVOR Moss Spreader. The VEVOR Moss Spreader brings a combination of comfort, durability, and efficiency to lawn maintenance. Its adjustable handle with 3 height options makes it easier for users of different heights to work without strain, while the straight bar design gives better control over direction and speed. Built with an integrated steel drum and smooth, precision-cut finish, it feels sturdy and well-balanced during use. The large 24-inch drum provides an impressive 2.66 cubic feet of capacity, meaning fewer stops to refill when working across bigger lawns or farmland. Its mesh pattern delivers precise, even spreading whether you're distributing compost, fertilizer, seed, or similar materials. The powder-coated handle resists rust, boosting the spreader's longevity in outdoor environments. With its higher efficiency, strong build, and user-friendly design, this spreader works well for anyone wanting consistent, predictable results without interruptions. It's especially useful for homeowners handling wider spaces who want faster top dressing with uniform coverage. Number 3. JILLSKY 44-inch Spreader. The JILLSKY 44-inch spreader is built for homeowners who want professional top dressing performance with the ability to cover large areas efficiently. Its wide 44-inch drum makes it well-suited for distributing peat moss, manure, mulch, fertilizer, and other materials across lawns, gardens, and big yards. The ergonomic curved handle lets you comfortably push or pull it, and the design also supports towing behind a lawn tractor or riding mower, giving users flexibility depending on the job. The heavy-duty steel mesh drum breaks up clumps effectively and filters out debris for clean, even spreading every time. Powder-coated for rust and corrosion protection, it stands up well to long-term outdoor use. The side hinge door makes loading hassle-free, and the lightweight frame keeps it easy to maneuver despite its large capacity. With its tool-free assembly and durable construction, this spreader is a dependable option for improving soil health and achieving thicker, more uniform grass. Number 4. Leanaco Roller Spreader. The Leanaco Roller Spreader offers a straightforward and efficient design that helps homeowners top dress their lawns with less effort. Installation is quick since many screws are pre-installed and the remaining hardware is well organized. The adjustable T-handle, which can be set at 42 or 44 inches, accommodates users of varying heights. Its diamond mesh pattern, sized at 0.6 by 0.75 inches, ensures even compost distribution, so plants receive nutrients uniformly, improving lawn thickness and overall growth. Built from heavy-duty, powder-coated metal, the frame resists corrosion, fading, and cracking, making it a long-lasting tool. One standout feature is the large 16.5-inch loading door, which makes filling the drum easy whether you're spreading compost, fertilizer, dirt, manure, or peat moss. Its sturdy structure keeps material contained while rolling smoothly across the yard. This spreader is ideal for users who want a durable, uncomplicated, easy-to-use tool that consistently performs well across various lawn care tasks. Number 5. Seeutek 24-inch spreader. The Seeutek 24-inch spreader is built for durability and versatility, offering a steel structure that feels solid and dependable for regular yard work. The powder-coated, heat-treated metal mesh resists rust and wear, while the ergonomic rubber T-handle gives a comfortable, non-slip grip during longer tasks. This model supports both pushing and towing, making it useful for small yards and larger properties alike. With adjustable handle heights of 45, 48, and 53.9 inches, users can customize it for comfort or attach it to a tractor when covering bigger areas. The upgraded side latches and added support rod help keep the load secure, and the easy open hinge door speeds up filling. Its large 2.8 cubic foot capacity allows efficient spreading with fewer trips, covering over 300 square feet in one pass. Ideal for compost, peat moss, topsoil, and manure, this spreader provides reliable performance while reducing strain and saving time. With the right spreader, improving your soil becomes faster, cleaner, and far more consistent. Each option delivers dependable performance to help you shape a healthier, more even lawn. Choose the model that fits your yard's needs and enjoy smoother landscaping results with far less effort every season.